Hello, welcome back to class with detailed notes and case studies. Meaning of company formation. Formation of a company refers to the entire process of legally establishing a company as a distinct business entity. It includes a series of legal steps and formalities that must be completed before a company can start operating. Types of companies. Type requirement can start after private company 2 to 200 members, incorporation, public company minimum 7 members, commencement of business, certificate. Stages in the formation of a company. 1. Promotion. Meaning, promotion is the first stage where the idea of a business is transformed into a company. Key activities: discovery of business opportunity, conducting feasibility studies, technical feasibility, financial feasibility, economic feasibility, arranging resources, appointment of professionals, promoters, individuals or groups who take initiative to form the company. Functions of promoters: conceive business idea, conduct investigations, assemble resources, prepare documents for registration, enter into preliminary contracts. Legal position: promoters are not agents or trustees but have fiduciary responsibility. Though, incorporation, registration, meaning, legal process of registering the company with the Registrar of Companies, ROC, under the Companies Act, 2013. Documents required: Memorandum of Association, MOA, Charter document. Articles of Association, AOA, Internal rules. Declaration by professionals. Affidavit from subscribers. Address proof of registered office. Particulars of directors. Filing fee. Certificate of incorporation, issued by the ROC. The company becomes a separate legal entity. Company gets a corporate identity number, CHIN. Legal effects: company can own property. Company can sue and be sued. Company has perpetual succession. 3. Capital subscription, only for public companies, meaning, a public company has to raise funds from the public through shares. Steps involved: SEBI approval, for raising capital, if listed, filing prospectus, document inviting public to invest. Receiving applications, through banks. Allotment of shares, based on applications received. Minimum subscription, 90% of the issue must be subscribed. Application money, must be at least 5% of nominal value. Refunds, if minimum subscription not received. 4. Commencement of business. Company type requirement: private company can start after incorporation. Public company must obtain certificate of commencement of business. Documents required: declaration by directors regarding share allotment. Verification of registered office. Once issued, the public company can start its business operations. Key documents in company formation: document. Purpose: MOA, Memorandum of Association, outlines the company's objectives and scope. AOA, Articles of Association, rules for internal management. Prospectus: invitation to the public to buy shares. Certificate of incorporation confirms the legal formation of the company. Certificate of commencement required for public companies to begin business. Case study. Example case: Ravi wants to start a public company, EcoSmart Limited, for producing eco-friendly appliances. He begins by promoting the idea, hires technical experts, and prepares reports. Submits MOA, AOA, and other documents to the ROC. Receives certificate of incorporation. Issues a prospectus and collects 5 crore rupees from the public. After meeting the minimum subscription, he applies and receives the certificate of commencement. Now, EcoSmart Limited can legally start operations. Thank you. See you in next class.